Hi everyone, in today's app video, I'm going to show you how to use Signal application. My name is Shahid and welcome to a new app review video. Signal is a private messaging application you could use on your iPhone, Android or iPad devices. It even has application for Mac, PC and Linux. So before starting the video, I want to add one more thing that why it has become a very popular messaging application. It is because it is dedicated to security and privacy. It is end-to-end encrypted, but the distinguishing feature is it is also an open source app. You could actually see the code for the app if you wanted to. It is one of the reasons why it has got a lot of attention these days. So guys, I already created a video about how to create an account on Signal. You can find the link in the description below, but today in this video I will tell you how to use the certain features of Signal application. So first of all, as you can see, there is an option at the top left corner, your profile. Once you click on your profile, you will find your name here. So once you click on your name, here is the option, the photo option. You click and you can choose, you can take a picture instantly from your camera, accessing to your camera, or you can choose it from your gallery and set it as your profile picture. The next thing is that you can change your name here, the first name and the second name, and if you do any changes, you should press on the save button down there. So that's how you can change your profile picture and your name. So the other thing is that if you go down below, is you can see there is the pencil option. So if you click on the pencil option here, the first thing is that new group. So how to create a new group on Signal application. So you click on the new group, and here is that the people you want to add into those groups. So I will just click on those people, and once you click on those people, you selected all the people you want to be in that group. You just go down and click on the arrow at the bottom. So once you click at the arrow at the bottom, the next thing is that there is a photo option. So there are two options again: take photo or choose from gallery. So you will choose a photo from your gallery or take a picture to set it as your group profile picture. So once you're done with that, then you can choose the name. So you can choose the name according to your to your choice. And once you have done, then there is the create option. You just click on the create option and the group will be created. So this is how you can create a group, and in the group chat you can send messages. You can even have group calls, video calls and audio calls as well. This is how you can do. So how to call in a private chat to a person. So suppose this is the private chat here, and at the top, as you can see, there are two options just beside the name. That is the video call option. You can video call to somebody, just tap on it and the video call will be started. And then there is the audio call option. But the one thing which is very important, I want to tell you, WhatsApp also have that feature, is the disappearing messages. So once you click on the three dot menu at the right top corner, just beside the call options, so you will find the disappearing messages option. So once you click on the disappearing messages option, it's off right now. So if I do it 5 seconds and I click OK, and then I started to send a message, any message, you can even send in emoji, and when you send it, as you can see, there is a small timer, and when I send it, the timer gets started and the message has been disappeared. So it's like a thing you can set any time for it, like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 1 minute, 1 hour, even a day or a week. So it depends on you that how much time you want for the message to be disappear. And if you want to disable it, just off it and click OK. So the disappearing messages will be, the option will be disabled. So this is how you can do it. The other most important thing that I want to tell you, when you click on the three dots here, as you can see, all your media from here, the media, that the files you share, the audio, everything that you have shared, you can find it here. This is how you can do. And if you click on the name, here you can see the number, the phone number, and from here you can choose the option of chat, video call and audio call as well. Disappearing messages is off, as you can see, but at the bottom, if you want to block anyone, you can just click on the block option, and this person will be blocked. So this is how you can block your contact if you don't want them to call you or text you. So this is how you can do. If we go to the bottom again one more time, there is another option of the camera. So once you click on the camera option here, um, as you can see, I click on the camera options, and here we don't need to open any chat before using this one. So suppose I take a picture here, there is the edit options at the top. You can even save that to your device. You can even add a text, or you can edit it. There are many things. You can add some stickers as well, so you can use all the editing options at the top. Here you can even type a text message, anything you want to send. You can add emojis as well. This is a very cool feature. And once you click on the arrow at the bottom, so here you will go to your contacts, the recent one you already chat, or the Signal contacts, the other people, and you can actually select multiple people from here, and you can send that picture to multiple people in one time. So this is how you can do. This is a very good option. If you have any greeting card or anything or wish, you can send it to multiple people at once. You can edit it first and then you can send it. So this is one option which is very unique and distinguishing in Signal application. So this is how you can do. So another thing is that once you're on the main page where you can see your chats, there is the three dotted menu, and here we already talk about new groups, and there is another option, invite friends. So don't let friends chat unencrypted. So once we click on the share options, so here are many options, as you can see, many social media platform from where you can send that link, and your friends can actually download the application, and then you can become friends on Signals as well. So this is how you can do it. So once I click again on the three dotted menu at the top right corner, and then there is another option of settings. So when we go to the setting, SMS and MMS, so here SMS disable touch to make Signal your default SMS application. So this is like Messenger, like Facebook Messenger. If you enable it, so you will receive your text messages on Signal application. So this is how you can do it. SMS delivery report, you can also get the report that your message has been delivered. So this is how you can do it. There is another option of notification. From here you can change the settings of notification, like for messaging, if you want to on the vibration, you can do that. In chat sounds, you can also do that. Repeat alerts, it's on never. If you want the alerts to be repeat after 1 minute or 2 minutes, there are many options you can choose from them. Then the call option, if you want that with ringtone the phone should also vibrate, you can on the vibrate option, or the notification you will get and everything like that. So in this you will find all the notification options. The other very important thing is the privacy, and the privacy is the screen lock. The first one is the screen lock, which I enabled. You can disable it or enable, so the application will be locked by your finger. If you have fingerprints or screen lock, it will be locked. So once you unlock your phone, the application will be unlocked as well. So this is how you can do. You can change, and at the bottom, as you can see, you come down, there is the block user. So here you will find the people you have blocked. You will find the list here, and from here you can unblock the people as well. So I did not block any people, so you cannot see anyone, but if you block somebody, then you will find it here in the list, and you can unblock them later on. The pin that which we created when we were creating an account, you can watch that in the other video. So once you created your pin and then you want to change it, so from here you can change your pin. What you need to, you will just put your new pin. It must be 4 digits. We already done it in the previous video when we were creating an account, so you can find it there. So another one is, after privacy, there is appearance. In the appearance, the first one is the theme. So how you can change the theme, you can change it from here, system default, light or dark theme. So it depends on your choice, and you can select from here and then click OK. The language option is here. You can change the language. If you select a language and then you want to change it again, you can do it from here in the appearance option. Then there is chat and media. So media auto download when using mobile data. So when I'm using mobile data, I only want to download images, and if I don't want, I will deselect that. If you want everything to be downloaded on your mobile data, you can select and press OK. If you want everything to be downloaded on Wi-Fi, or you want to not to select them, just click on it or then press OK. So this is how you can do it when you're on roaming. So then you don't need to, because there will be some extra charges to that, so people don't like to download things more when they're on roaming. So this is how you can do. The last option is the backup. So if you want to turn on that one, so your chats and everything will be backed up, and then you can restore them if you delete your application or you want to sign in on another device as well. So this is how you can do it. So the next option is the storage. So here in the storage, you will find that how much storage, like photos and videos, files and audios they're taking, and the people who send it on Signal application. So this is how you can do it. And here you can see conversation length limit none. So you can actually put some limitation to it, that I will receive only 5,000 or 1,000 or 500 messages, like that, and then it will be like that. And clear message history, you can just click on this one and delete, and then everything will be deleted. All the conversation that you have will be deleted. So this is how you can check that one as well. So guys, these are some of the important features of Signal application. I hope you liked the video. Please download this application and do let me know in the comment section that how you find this application. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
How heavy is that? Light work with the bass on the track, on my face to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink, but it's straight from the tap. And I'm hating the slack, couple man stand around like the hate in the gaff. Please stop talking that trash, cause the vibes and the fun